Make money watching videos. That's what we're gonna take a look at today. But first, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog. Hit the notification bell as well to be notified of new videos. Also, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's the top link in the video description below. There you're gonna get a free membership, free websites, free training, a large community of people to help you out as well. Check that out, but let's get into this. So this is a website called Volcano, volkno.com. And basically, they're going to pay you to watch movie trailers, TV show trailers, web trailers, game trailers, and some other stuff here. And basically, you just watch the trailer, you give your opinion on it. It's kind of like a hot or not round, and then there's like a, what you're feeling during watching the video, different scenes of the video, and stuff like that. And there's a bunch of different movies here. There's new. You can check out these new ones here. As you can see, you can watch this trailer right here. It's also a cool way to find out, different movies coming out and stuff like that, and different games and all kind of other stuff like that. So, anyways, they pay out in Amazon gift cards, and you get 1,000 float points equals $1, and you get about 200 points for your doing each trailer here if you do it the 3 rounds of stuff. And then you just go to the store here and you redeem your gift cards, and you can get $5 gift cards. So once you get 5,000 points, you get a $5 gift card, and they pay out pretty quick. You get an email with a code for Amazon, and you just add it to your account, and you're ready to go, and you have an instant $5 that you did not have before. I usually do this when I'm taking a break from something, and just watch a few movie trailers, add some points up. I'm almost ready for another $5 gift card here. It's a really cool way to make some extra money and buy some extra things on Amazon. Obviously, you're not going to get rich doing this, but if you're interested in entrepreneurship, making money online, making money while you sleep, making money while you're on vacation, check out my #1 recommendation. It's a top link in the video description below. Again, you're going to get a free membership, free websites, free training, a very large community of people to help you out. And there you can really learn how to make some serious money online. And, it takes time. I'm not going to lie. It's not something, get rich scheme or anything like that. It takes time, dedication, and once you do it, it's what I do. It's what lots of other people do. I think there's 1.5 million members at the time of making this video. But it's really cool. Check it out. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon. Please subscribe to the channel. See you later.